Good morning, children. Welcome in today's module. Today we'll start our work from page number 46. Causes and effects. Many of our day-to-day actions may be damaging to the environment. Some kinds of damage can be seen or felt immediately, while others are long-term, which means their ill effects will be felt by all of us over several years. So below are the causes and the effects of some common environmental unfriendly activities. So let's match them. When the television is on high volume, it creates the noise pollution. Cutting down trees causes the soil erosion and less rainfall and drought. Throwing garbages on the street, germs grow, leading to the spread of diseases. Throwing used batteries or tube lights into the kitchen dustbin causes chemical poisoning, leading to air, water and soil pollution. Washing clothes in rivers, this causes the water pollution, and black smoke from the vehicles and factories, it causes the air pollution, leading to the greenhouse effects. Here are some statements given. We have to identify the major environmental disasters related to this. First is on December 3, 1984, at the Union Carbide pesticide plant, a poisonous gas called methyl isocyanate was accidentally released into the atmosphere, leading to the death of some 10,000 people and serious injuries to have 5 lakh more people. That was the Bhopal gas tragedy. Second, on April 26, 1986, a major nuclear reactor meltdown occurred due to the faulty designs and operation at a nuclear power plant in what this present day Ukraine. That is the Chernobyl nuclear disaster. On April 20, 2010, following an explosion and sinking of an oil rig, the largest and the worst accidental marine oil spill took place in the Gulf of Mexico, massively affecting the environment. This was deep water horizon oil spill. On March 11, 2011, 3 of 6 nuclear reactors at a Japanese power plant shut down due to a major power failure and meltdown caused by a tsunami, resulting in radioactive contamination of the Japanese mainland. This was Fukushima Daiichi nuclear disaster. In 1960, the USSR diverted the routes of Amur Darya and Sir Darya, the rivers that fed this water body, once the 4th largest lake in the world. By 2007, it had shrunk to 10% of its original size, making it one of the worst ecological disasters ever. This was the drying up the Aral Sea. Following the invasion of this Middle East country in 1991, the Iraqi military force blew up more than 600 oil wells there. It took more than 7 months to extinguish the well fires, causing one of the worst environmental disasters in the world, that was Kuwait oil fires. Now we come on page number 48 on lesson number 17, that is the electrical safety. Electricity has revolutionized our lives. Think of what all gadgets we use that are powered by electricity. While it is very helpful, it can also cause the nasty accidents in use incorrectly, if they are using incorrectly. Here are some questions you may have asked yourself or an adult. The answers are given for you, but all jumbled up. So we have to match the questions with its answers. So the first one, why should you not stick your finger toys, etc. into the electrical sockets? Obviously, this is because you can get an electric shock from the current flowing in the socket. Why should you never place hair dryers, radio and other electronic items near a bathtub or shower? Because water is a conductor of electricity, and water and electricity are a dangerous combination. It can give you a shock. Why should you not pull a plug from a socket by its cord? Because electricity could jump out of the cord and give you a nasty shock. Why should you not climb trees near power lines? Because if you touch a line by mistake, you could get a massive shock. Why should you not ever place glasses with drinks on video games, music players and other electronics devices? Because they can spill, and when you touch that gadget, you could get zapped. Why should you not plug multiple adapters on into another? Because too many of them together could cause off current, and your different gadgets could get permanently damaged or even cause a fire. So some simple rules to avoid the electrocution at home is always cover live sockets with the socket cover. Here you can see the socket cover. Never leave gaps or holes around the electrical points. Sockets in bathroom must always have covers. Page number 49. A flag map in the outline map of a country with the national flag superimposed on it. Here are the flags maps of countries that have won the FIFA Football World Cup for a man. Can you identify these countries? So the first is the 5 times winner, that is Brazil. The team is called the Azzurri, that is Italy. Won the 2014 World Cup, Germany. Home to Maradona and Messi, Argentina. Won the first World Cup, Uruguay. Beckman and friends, England. Zidane's team, France. 2010 champions, home to La Liga, that is Spain. Cool fact, the first FIFA World Cup held in Uruguay, South America, because the country had won the Olympic gold in football in 1928 Amsterdam Games. Another reason for hosting the cup was the Uruguay was celebrating the 100th anniversary of its constitution. Now we come